To open a TD Bank account, start by gathering the necessary documents, including a valid government-issued ID, social security number, and proof of address. Next, decide which type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. TD Bank offers various account options, including student accounts, joint accounts, and accounts for small businesses. Visit the TD Bank website or mobile app to explore the different account types and their features. You can also visit a local TD Bank branch or call the customer service number to get more information. Once you have chosen your account type, you can begin the application process. This can be done online, in person, or over the phone. If applying online, go to the TD Bank website and click on the Open an Account button. Select the type of account you want to open and fill out the application form with your personal and financial information. You will need to provide your ID and social security number to verify your identity. You may also need to fund your account with an initial deposit. The minimum deposit amount varies depending on the account type. If applying in person, bring the required documents to a TD Bank branch and speak with a representative. They will guide you through the application process and answer any questions you may have. After submitting your application, TD Bank will review and verify your information. This may take a few minutes if applying online or in person. Once your account is approved, you will receive your account details, including your account number and routing number. You can then set up online banking and mobile banking to manage your account and access your funds. It is essential to review and understand the terms and conditions of your account, including any fees, interest rates, and withdrawal limits. TD Bank offers various services and features, such as overdraft protection, direct deposit, and bill pay. Take advantage of these features to get the most out of your account. In conclusion, opening a TD Bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed online, in person, or over the phone. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and features of your account, you can enjoy convenient and secure banking with TD Bank.